Hey everyone, Yuri Matsu here, and today I finally get around to installing the Nilight 6000 lumen flood and spotlight pod lights. So I've been looking forward to this. Let's get started. So I have it all wired up now, and I did have to add an extra section of wire because it just wasn't long enough from the original wire harness. And now I just have to connect it to the battery and figure out a way to route it through the firewall somehow to get it inside. Other than that, it's pretty simple. So I'm going to try and go through the firewall right over here. It's going to be hard to see, but there's a boot back here. I'm going to try and point my finger at it. You see that boot right there? I'm going to try and go right through there to get inside the cabin. That's located right back there. So right behind the gas, well, right above the gas pedal, is the rubber boot, and you can see how the wires are sticking out right now. I've just pulled some of them through, and that's how I'm routing into the cabin. Black on the top, white, and blue. Alrighty, so I just finished installing the light pods and it looks great. And so now the rocker switch is inside on the left, out of the way of the knees. So just rock that up and you have light. And man, that looks great. Looking forward to seeing what this looks like after dark. So this is just the headlights. This is the high beams. This is with the floodlights. Floodlights and high beams. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching.